What am I doing back here? Well, stay tuned and we'll tell you all about it. Hi, my awesome friends. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration and it's called Summer Sweets. So come along and see what delicious sweets I have for you on my table today. So today I'm participating in an open collaboration called Summer Sweets. And we were tasked to put together a table full of sweet desserts, and we just needed to include one item using the color pink. So come along and see what type of desserts I put on my table. And later in the video, I will introduce you to the host and co-hostess of this collaboration. Well, how about we start in this corner? They're so delicious looking, but if you've watched any of my other videos, you know these are my faux cakes. These are the faux sponge cakes, and these ones on top have little lemons. Get a close up for you, and have some little pink glitter. Aren't these cute? And this one has a cherry on top. And the ones underneath are the yellow sponge cakes. And they were supposed to be like a lemon raspberry. That's supposed to be a raspberry filling in the middle. Raspberry, blueberry, the best I could do. As you see, there's little blueberries on top. They look so real. Aren't those cute? So I thought I would start with the faux desserts before I showed you the real thing. Super cute, huh? All right, so on my dessert table, I like to have a dessert wine or dessert after dinner drink, and I have my chambord and a beautiful bottle, and then I have my two little glasses down here which to serve them in. And if you look on top, this is my favorite part of this bottle. It's purple. Isn't that beautiful? So that's what I'm going to be serving with my dessert. Going out of focus. And now let's get down to the dessert. So here I have some marshmallow bonbons. They are very similar to what you can get at See's Candy. They just don't have the caramel in the middle. And these came from Trader Joe's and they are delicious. Very addicting. It's kind of hard to keep from eating them all in one sitting. And then over here we have our chocolate covered cherries, which will go very good with the chambord. And on this side, same thing here and same here. So now let's see what's on the riser. Ooh, these ones are so delicious. These are I think they're called chocolate twirls, maybe? I'm not really sure, but they also came from Trader Joe's. And they're really thin cookie with chocolate in the middle, but they are delicious. Let me tell you guys. And this again is another one of those that you could sit and eat the whole container. And then I have my beautiful cake. And of course, we had to use a little bit of pink in our desserts. And so I thought this was perfect. A cute little cake with some pink roses. And I didn't need a big cake because it's just me and my husband. So we have to be able to eat this. We don't want it to go to waste. And then I'll just back up and then just show you how I built my table. So I had this cute little tin vase. I believe it comes from the Dollar Tree. Not sure where I'm getting such a dark. Hold on, let me see if I can get a light. Before I continue with the video, I just wanted to remind you this video is part of the Summer Sweets collaboration, and the host for this collaboration is Marlene's How To's. Co-hostess is Deborah Cabassa, Home Living. Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living. And JMom's Creation. I have put their link in the description box, so please go on over and check out what they put together. Alright, so getting back to the table, I just wanted to make sure that you could see this cake very well. Earlier I had it darker, so I just thought I'd come back by and show you a glimpse. And then because I wanted to add some pink and some whimsy, I thought, wouldn't it be fun to have the little rabbits on the table as well? Because, you know, they don't need to just come out at Easter time. They can come out anytime. And these ones are painted to look like Mackenzie Childs, but they're not. They are from Tuesday Morning. One is mine and one is my mom's, and I thought they looked really cute here on this table. All right, so then what I did is I had this cute little tea pot and cups. I got these from Hobby Lobby on the 40% off, and I thought they were cute and they kind of go with my color scheme, so I thought perfect addition, and just put some cute little flowers in there. And those little cups that the chocolate covered cherries are in, those are from, I believe, the 99-cent store. So then coming down here, I just simply put some plates on the table. This is a dessert table, so it's help yourself, so there's really no sit down, you know, we're just going to serve ourselves and go sit down somewhere else and have a little chit chat. So I just simply put the larger plates there, and then some smaller plates in case they just want to do a little snacky, or if they want more, they have the larger plate to choose from. And then I put these cute little napkins with a teacup, because, you know, we always have some kind of reference to tea. And then I just put my flatware. And the table covering is actually a curtain, and I love that color. And then I just put the tablecloth in the middle. I just used it as a runner. So that's how I put my little dessert table together. And then my curtains, I just used, I don't know if you noticed, but I used a string of pearls, and I just made my little my curtain, what is it called? Tie back with the pearls. So there you go. Let's back up, get a better look, and I hope you guys like it. Kind of go up a little bit higher so you can see. Isn't it cute? I can't wait to dig in. What about you? All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video just to show my summer sweets. And if you don't have any sweets at your house, go out and get some. Bye-bye. Okay, I thought I'd bring over the package so you guys could see. This one is the dark chocolate covered marshmallows, light and fluffy, marshmallows drenched in smooth dark chocolate. So again, those are those, and they're very yummy. The next item is the dark chocolate covered cherries, and this is the packaging that it comes in. And again, it's from Trader Joe's. I know some states don't have Trader Joe's, but if you do, highly recommend it. From Trader Joe's is these lacy cookies. It's dark chocolate almond, so that's what those are, and they're very delicious, so you can't pass those up. I want to thank you for stopping by and seeing what I put together and for this collaboration today. Thank you to all the subscribers who have been awesome and supporting me, and to all of those who are not yet subscribed, please consider. And if you like what I did today, please give me a thumbs up. This tells YouTube that you like the content and want to see more. Now I'll leave you to music and the rest of the video and pictures, and thank you again for stopping by.